spam. So this is our project. Activity number 6 ba yan? So ang gawin is mag-add buka muna. Title and then auto publish 1969 quantity 1 and then mukhang successful, then click mo lang para sa access, hanapin mo yung network system, then open mo, then input mo na data, then delete box name, so select mo muna and delete box, then pwede ka mag-delete, so gano'n lang.